Welcome back to Slow English with Emily Summer. Today, let's walk through a full day, together, step by step, word by word. In English. The alarm rings. You open your eyes slowly. You say, "Good morning," or maybe, "5 more minutes." You stretch, you breathe, a new day begins. In the kitchen, you prepare tea or coffee. You whisper, "I need caffeine," or "Milk, no sugar." The sun is rising, the room is quiet. You take a sip and say to yourself, "I can do this." You look in the mirror. You say, "I look tired," or maybe, "I like my hair today." Some days are easy, some days less so. You get dressed, you pack your bag, you check the time. Oh no, I'm late. Keys, wallet, phone, ready to go. You close the door and step outside. A new world waits. On the street, you see people. You nod, "Good morning," or smile in silence. At the bus stop, someone asks, "Is this seat taken?" You reply, "Go ahead," or "Sure, no problem." Sometimes the ride is calm, sometimes noisy, but always full of little moments to practice listening. You arrive. Someone says, "Hi." You answer, "Hey, how's it going?" You don't understand something, just ask, "Could you explain that again?" Or simply, "I'm not sure I got that." You do your best, you make progress. Even in silence, you learn. You're hungry. You say, "Let's grab something to eat." At the cafe, "What do you recommend?" You try something new. This is so good." Maybe you eat alone, maybe with a friend. You ask, "How's your day so far?" And you listen, you connect, you share a moment. You feel a little tired, a little heavy. You say, "I need a break." You take a deep breath. You walk outside, feel the wind, hear the world. You say, "I just need 5 minutes." The day ends, you go home. You kick off your shoes and sigh. Finally. You change clothes, you light a candle. You cook something warm, comfort food, you say. Maybe you call someone. You ask, "How was your day?" They talk, you listen, and your English grows with every word. The lights go off one by one. You look out the window, the world is quiet. You whisper, "I made it through." You brush your teeth, put on your pajamas. You crawl into bed and think, "I did my best." You say, "Good night," and quotidien, "See you tomorrow." Each phrase, each moment is a part of your journey. You're not just learning English. You're learning how to express your life, your way. Thanks for spending your day with me. This was Slow English with Emily Summer.